When you're moving a heavy appliance around your home, you really have to be careful. Not only can you hurt yourself, you can hurt the appliance and even your floor if you're not careful.
Well, the easiest way to move an appliance, of course, is with a hand truck. But the problem is often the hand truck will scratch the appliance, and we don't want that to happen. So to prevent that, all I did is I took some pipe insulation, which is made out of the very dense foam rubber, and I cut it to length. Then I cut a slit down the back of it so I could wrap it around the rails of the hand truck on either side. Then I just took 3 pieces of duct tape and adhered it to the hand truck itself.
Now, even though the hand truck has rubber tires, you still need to protect it from running across any of the floors you may have in your home because it can damage it. So one of the first things we'll do, put cardboard under the dryer. Now, I've already disconnected the 220 electrical as well as the vent that runs off the back of it. And now, Joe, if you can help me, we'll tilt this back.
There you go.
Now that'll allow me to pull it right out. We'll also put another piece of cardboard down to protect it going out the door. Okay, now you may notice we picked the dryer. This is one of the lighter appliances in the house.
You tip it back a little? Great.
There we go.
All right.
And
just keep
right
a firm
on
grip
out.
on it and right out the door.